Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best high-speed ceiling fan you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many high-speed ceiling fan and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each high-speed ceiling fan so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a high-speed ceiling fan. First, check the motor quality because a strong motor ensures better performance and long-lasting durability. Next, consider the blade design and material as aerodynamic blades made of quality materials provide efficient airflow and reduced noise. Energy efficiency is another important factor since high-speed fans with lower power consumption help save electricity. Also, look at the sweep size to make sure it matches the room dimensions for maximum air circulation. The fan's build quality and brand reputation matter too, as trusted brands offer better after-sales service and warranties. Lastly, consider the aesthetic appeal, since modern ceiling fans come in stylish designs to suit your decor. Choosing wisely means comfort, efficiency, and style all in one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.